bigger creator. Tonight's match, you're probably wondering, what did that say, Royal Rumble and not Hell in a Cell? Because that did not work out for Edge and the big dog Roman Reigns. They didn't like it because then they said they would break their neck probably in that match. So they're going to go in a two-man Royal Rumble. Dust them. If you go over the rope, you're eliminated. I mean, we're calling it Royal Rumble. We could have just did Battle Royals, and no. Introducing first, weighing at 240 pounds from California, Edge! Edge is in the ring. Introducing next, weighing in at 287 pounds from Florida, Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns is in the ring with Edge. Spear! He got him with the spear. Edge is on his feet. How? That's impossible. How is Roman Reigns just got on his feet now? Trying to get the elimination. And Roman Reigns trying to get Edge out of here, though he is not touching. Edge lost his hand, and Roman Reigns gonna go for the dive. Roman Reigns made it the way to Edge. Oh, couldn't do it. Still not eliminated. He grabs back on. Oh, he's going over. Edge staring at Roman Reigns. Oh, and a spear! Through the weight Edge. Got his feet in the air. Roman does it. Edge wins. That's all for today. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.